Hey guys, it's Hans, New Jersey Crane Expert, and today we are going to be showing off one of our newest products that we have in stock. This is the Milwaukee MX Demolition Breaker. MX Fuel Breaker Kit, product number MXF3681XC. This unit limits excess vibration. It provides a comfortable grip while operating. It demolishes most concrete per unit at a time while maintaining lowest vibration in its class. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do a demonstration of how this machine works. If you're interested in purchasing one, reach out to us at njcraneexpert.com. In store and online, we can ship one out to you as soon as possible.